guys, I'm out here today. This is the intro I'm doing. There's people out here, so I don't want to get on my phone and film me. But anyway, I'm looking at my boxwoods that I have out here. I have two different kinds. Those are the ones that my landscaper put in when we first did the yard about 3 years ago. And I wanted to add more. I like these variety better. They don't turn as golden as the other ones. I think these are Green Mountain, and I think the other ones are a different kind. I'll have to put it on the screen if I think I can remember. But anyway, hopefully it'll look okay all in one hedge, but I really didn't want to buy all of those. But they had a hard time over winter. I moved them a couple times and they got a lot of winter burn. So I'm gonna come through and cut everything back and hopefully revive them, and hopefully they'll do a lot better. So I'm gonna come through and do each one. As you can see, this poor little guy, he's still alive in there though. I think I can save him, but I'm just gonna come through and do that, and I thought I'd film it and then we can check up on the progress and see how they do. Hopefully they'll be okay. Sorry, I'm picking weeds as I go. I'm so excited for these allium to pop up, and the hydrangeas are filling in nice. It's just, it's gonna be so exciting when these open up. Some of them aren't as strong as others, which I find interesting. They're getting thicker every day though, so I think they'll be okay. But I can't wait till these hydrangeas are a little bigger and these are coming up through them. Right now, these are pretty big compared to my hydrangeas, which are pretty young. So, but anyway, I'm gonna get started on the project. I have a bucket and I have a little stool I'm gonna sit on. I'm just gonna come through and bust it out. The video and I said you're supposed to cut it back to where it's not dead, so take this branch here, see how it's green down here. I'm going to cut this one down to these buds. This one I'm going to cut all the way down. This one, these I'm going to trim. That one I'm going to trim because it has some dead stuff on it. This whole thing I'm going to take off. Just thought that would be better. That I'm going to take all the way down. This I'm taking all the way down. This I'm going to take down so you can see that. Can you see that leaf right there? Right here. So I'm going to cut that all the way down. It's already looking better. I'm hopeful. These are okay. Cutting that all the way down. This whole thing. Take this one down here. These ones under here are dead. Cut back. This one cut back to here. These to here. this back. It's looking a little dead in the center, but I think it'll fill in and it'll just be happier. Lots of burn this year, so this one I'm going to cut all the way back to here. Here. This one I'm going to cut all the way back. That's pretty harsh, but it's pretty dead. These I'm just going to top off here at this level. I'm also moving the mulch away from it a little bit just to give it a little breathing room. I feel like they were tucked down a little too much. See if that helps too. This whole thing right here, I'm going to take down. There's a leaf. I don't know if you can see that leaf right there. Right there. I'm going to take it down to that leaf. I think it'll be fine. This is an experiment though. Because obviously I'm a little newer to some of this. Okay. I'm just going to round it off a little bit so it looks semi-decent. This is a good time to prune, they said, before summer, just as warming up, so it's not too hot or not too cold. It's just right. This will be fine. Okay, keep going. Okay, I'm so glad I did that. I was really worried about those every time I walked by them with all the brown, and I thought they were mostly dead, but now when I walk by them, I'm gonna feel so much better. I'm just glad I took the time to do that today. Look how good they look. So they're not dead. I just need to be patient. They need a little bit of time, and I think they'll be so good in this spot. These are a little more mature than these, so you just have to have a little bit of patience, but I think that it's going to be so cute. These are the incredible hydrangeas, so exciting. So glad I got that done today. Thanks so much for watching that little video of me cleaning up my boxwoods. We'll see you guys next time.